Welcome back everyone, Christine here from Unique Sapphire. It's Friday, we made it through another week. So there's been a lot of dyeing lately in the studio here, and a lot of comments about the dyeing and the dyeing that I've done previously and how to get started. So today I just want to go over a few quick tips and pointers that I've learned throughout the years in dyeing wool. So first off, not every wool is going to dye the same. As you saw, the Shetland versus the Merino in the roving. And always wash your yarn with Dawn dishwashing soap afterwards to get rid of the vinegar, because vinegar is the acid in the dyeing process. If not, it's going to smell like a salad. And use Dawn Simply Clean, the original Dawn, not the Ultra Dawn, because if not, you'll have suds for days. That's just something not fun, trying to get all that out. Another tip is the dye is continuously working until that yarn is cool, or roving for that matter, whatever you're dyeing. So when using acid dyes, and I know you get excited and you want to just go ahead, wash it, and be done with it. If you're not placing it in a pot, you will not know how much that wool has accepted that dye. So yes, dye molecules are still working while it's hot. Let it cool and they'll all come together. So that way here, you're not rinsing off all your dye, because it's not set yet. Let's see if I have another tip. Oh, yes, it's sitting right in front of me. If you have enough and you have a project in mind, but yeah, you want to dye something or change the coloring of it, take a smidgen, take a few yards of it, mix up some dyes and play with it. Such as I have here. Yes, seeing how the mustard yellows, oranges, some blue greens in there are going to work on this new base. Every time I get a new base in, I always take a little smidgen of it and play with it. And that way here I can tweak my dye colors. By tweaking, I mean, I'm notorious for this, is I'll mix one blue that has a blue base, and then I'll mix a blue-green in with it to create a whole new color. So that way here, my colors aren't as flat looking or as crayon looking as possible. And also another tip is to start off dyeing with primary colors, because primary colors blend together very well and create nice, beautiful in-between colors. So that way here you don't get mud. So I hope those tips will help you in your endeavor if you choose to go and start dyeing. Now I have a favor to ask all of you. I know we all have stashes, and here I am, I'm trying to figure out what to do with this. Well, actually there's two of them. I bought them almost 3 years ago. No, over 3 years ago. Yes, 3 years ago. They are worsted weight. They are 55% wool, 45% mohair, and since fall is coming up upon us really soon and the dog days of summer is almost over, I don't know, I'm thinking a shrug or a bolero maybe, if I can get away with 500 yards. It is so yummy though. I just want to get my hands into it and get it working. And yes, I'm guilty. I only have one project on my needles and it's been on hold for like a month and a half. It's just been way too hot to hold a sweater on my lap. And I gotta get back to it because it'll be perfect for fall. All right guys, I hope everyone has a creative weekend. Please, again, like, subscribe, and comment in the comments below what you think I should do with this worsted weight. I probably could buy another skein, but yeah, it's been sitting around here for enough. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. It's pouring rain. What better time to tell you about, I have a sale going on if you don't know. All regular priced yarns, not including fiber and hand spun, buy one get one 50% off till the end of the month. See you soon.